สวัสดีครับอาจารย์ My name is Vorakorn Kanokpipat. My background career is an interior designer. First off, I will start with the problem that I found from the research and bring to my topic, and then the study, and wrap up with my design proposal. In these modern days, the majority of us live in the cities, and increasing each year in this built environment, especially in the workplace where we spend most of our times with, and a lot of time we get stressed from work. Even more with the pandemic, distancing, work from home. Despite we can connect to the devices, but we still get stressed. The reason is that we disconnect from nature that can cure. Why? Because we are biologically innate connection with nature. And with this, we bring to the topic, workspace seeking nature-based design solution for well-being. What is well-being? It's the state that we are all seeking for. Next will be the framework from my study that we'll use in this thesis. It's a health and well-being for the built environment. It consists of 6 principles. These are the first 3, and here's the rest. And we'll focus on the nature-based solution with biophilic design as a primarily. With this design can be organized in 3 categories. First, nature in the space, the direct present contact with nature. Second, nature analog, impersonate of nature shape, form, pattern, and present as artwork. Last one, nature of the space, the blending of the previous 2. And with this design applying to the built environment, a lot of research shown it can increase 15% of creativity and 6% of productivity. This study will bring to my design proposal. Start off with the concept, connect, blending pattern of nature to the built environment. An initial sketch, it's a modular screen, can be used in the different scenario with the key message, connect with flexibility. The first material sourcing, rattan rod as a screen, and magnetic as a connector. The first prototype with a demo. And with the further study in bigger size, found out that it's not suitable in terms of cost effectiveness and availability in the market. Then bring to the substitution material, the paper tube as a screen and elastic rope as a connector. With the threading and knotting technique. And this is a second prototype, and it's called free flex screen. And here's screen in demo. From this, I have created a system. Start from the trunk as the main structure, branches, connector, and the connecting key. Here's connecting key in action. From this prototype, I've given it the neck dimensions in bigger sizes and higher for border usage. Give it a pattern as well as a color, and this is the final prototype. The screen prototype in action. With the key message to be flexible, it will encourage the user to use their creativity to create one as desired. And next, I'll give you an idea of how it looks in the work scenario. Start with the trunk and plant wheel. Connect with the branches in collaborations, meeting to connect, and in focus, and put it in the work environment. An organic pattern in the rigid environment. The perspective view. From the bird's eye view. Eventually, we might have a nature-based design to help us connect to the form of nature. However, don't forget to allow ourselves sometimes to go out and get the real connection. Thank you.